Hi guys, Ruben here, and we are heading out of the roller coaster that is 2020, heading into a brand new year, 2021, and I can't wait for what this year brings. Here are 5 things that you should anticipate as a designer in 2021. Number 1 is this: there is no more normal. Coming out of 2019, everything felt like it had a flow. Heading into 2020, it's been crazy. Suddenly, everything in our world has gone online. Every church service, every meeting, every gathering has all gone online, and we've had to adapt to that as designers too. And so this is the new normal. Don't think we're going back to that 2019 era. We are going into a new era of 2021. We're going to be carrying 2020 with us. We're going to be carrying the things we've learned, the ways we've adapted, and don't expect us to go back to how 2019 was, because it's not going to happen. So embrace the new, embrace new ways of doing things, and embrace 2021 with all that it has to offer. The second thing to anticipate is this: we're going into a new era where the design world is recognized way more than it used to be. Our roles as creatives has been appreciated more than ever. Don't let that get to your head. As we head into 2021, your role is going to be appreciated more, and there's going to be a need for your role more than ever. Use that to your advantage. Know your worth, know how much your designs are worth, but whatever you do, don't become entitled. No one likes a stubborn, arrogant designer.
Ouch.
Number 3, design will play a huge role in bringing hope. We've seen this year, through social injustice, through political movements, people have been using design, particularly on social media, more than ever to put across their views and their opinions. Change comes when good ideas get into the hands of the masses. And that's what design does. It takes ideas and it presents them to the people. So your role in 2021 is really critical for thought leaders and influencers to get across their point. Don't be afraid to use the power of design to share your thoughts and your opinions. Number 4, optimism will influence our style. If you look at post-World War II design, if we look at the 1950s and 60s, there was this real hope and sense of optimism in every part of that design. If you look at the bold colors, the playful text, a lot of it really represented what people were feeling at the time, and that's a sense of hope and a sense of optimism for the future. So this is what's going to happen when we leave 2020. We leave all of the darkness, all of the sadness, all of the chaos behind, and we step into 2021. That doesn't mean it will be easy, but it will mean that we'll be stepping into optimism. So in our designs, it's going to reflect that too, a sense of joy and hope for the future. So in 2021, be optimistic and be excited about the future. Number 5, perfection is in the eye of the beholder. This year we had to let go of our perfectionist ways. As we had to move everything onto Zoom calls, as we had to move everything online, things became a little bit rougher. Suddenly your workplace was your home, and your home was your workplace, and everything got mashed together. And that imperfection is going to carry across to 2021. We've adapted to those imperfections. So in our designs, that's going to reflect that too. Suddenly things that were meant to be perfect will be purposely messed up to lean into that imperfection. A more genuine and honest style has risen up over 2020. And when you're designing in 2021, remember that the imperfect is okay. Celebrate what you make, whatever it is, using the tools that you have. Creating is the goal, perfection is not. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment below, and tell me what you think you're going to anticipate as a designer in 2021. And I can't wait to see you again in another video. See you soon.